Adverbs provide information about a method or speed or time, or it may be frequency. Adverbs are often used for some sort of action. Adverbs are always or often used for some sort of or some form of action. How did a person do something? How did a person do something? And we know that adverbs tell us about how much, how often, how good, or when. Actually, adverbs tell us how much, how often, how good, or when something happens. For example, a bee works quickly. They pray calmly. An artist skillfully creates new things. So in all these three examples, the words like quickly, calmly, and skillfully are adverbs. Because all of these adverbs tell us something about the verbs. We can see a bee works quickly. How does a bee work? So quickly answers the question how, and it has an ending, ly ending. They pray calmly. So calmly is telling us something about the action that is praying. How do they pray? This question is answered through calmly. And an artist skillfully creates new things. How does an artist create new things? So skillfully is the answer. That is actually modification of the verb. Now take another example. In this case, he is a slow runner and he runs slowly. Over here in this sentence, the word slow, what is this? It is an adjective. So over here, the word slow is an adjective. For the noun runner. In this sentence, he runs slowly. This particular sentence, he runs slowly. Over here, the word slowly is modifying, is telling us something about the verb runs. This is an adverb over here. This is an adverb, slowly. He runs slowly, and it answers to the question, how does he run? So the answer is he runs slowly. So verb runs is being modified by this word slowly. This adverb provides information for the verb. Over here, this is the verb. How does he run? He runs slowly. But in the first sentence, we know over here, what kind of a runner is he? This noun, this runner is actually a noun. And here the word slow is an adjective. He is a slow runner. So this is the difference between both these sentences. It is always useful to compare adjectives and adverbs when you study adverbs. Here is some adjectives. Here is a list of some adjectives. Here are some adjectives, and then here are some adverbs. One of the differences between these two groups is the adverb often has an ly ending. We can see over here. Careful is the adjective and carefully is the adverb. Slow is the adjective and slowly is the adverb. Quick is the adjective and quickly is an adverb. Comfortable is the adjective and comfortably having an ly ending is an adverb. There are some irregular adverbs. Here is an example: fast, and then adverb is also fast. Fast is an adjective in this list or in this column, but it can also be used as an adverb. We can see over here. Same goes for hard. Hard is an adjective and it may also be used as an adverb. Adverbs provide information about how somebody did something. How somebody did something. We use these for actions. So adverbs are used for actions in order to explain actions. For example, look at this example: you did it easily. If this is the main verb, and it is the main verb in this sentence, you did it easily, this is some sort of activity. We know that there is some activity that is being mentioned. You did it easily. Then here are the adverbs: easily, quickly, properly, well, fast. Here are the adverbs. Notice all of these have ly ending, especially 1, 2, 3. They are having ly ending. Adverbs that describe actions. We can see that this adverb is actually describing this action did, which is the main verb in this sentence. You did it easily. So the word easily, like other adverbs, the adverb easily, this describes action. Modify a verb. If you do something properly, you can also say you did it well. Because we can replace it, you did it easily, we can replace it by you did it quickly. So this is also describing this action. Or you did it properly. This is once again describing this action that is in the form of did. If you do something properly means if you do something in a proper manner, properly, you can also say you did it well. So this is again, you did it well, it again describes the action. Or when talking about speed, you can say you did it fast. So again, so all these verbs, all these adverbs or these words, they are actually describing the action did. That's why we call them adverbs. Adverbs for adjectives. Look at this example. The train is late. The train is late. Here the subject is the train and the verb is over here, and this is an adjective. And this adjective is for the subject. It is used for the train. This late is used for the train. So we can say that the train is late. Actually, this is the subject, the train. Is over here is a verb, and late is describing something about this particular subject, which is a noun. That's why it is an adjective over here. But if I say it is never late, it is never late. So over here, this is subject, this is verb, and this is once again an adjective. So this word never, this tells us something about the adjective. It tells us how often the train is late. So here is the adverb, then this is the adjective. So we call it adverb. Why? The word never is an adverb for the adjective late. You can also use the you can also use the adverbs to modify adjectives. So we may know that a word that describes a verb or an adjective is called an adverb. You can also use the word always. It is always late. Over here, once again, this is an adjective and this is an adverb. How it is an adverb? Because it describes an adjective. It is always late. Always is actually the opposite of never. It is the opposite of the never. This word always is an adverb, and this word late is an adjective. So an adverb modifies a verb as well as an adjective. It is proven through this example. So it tells us something about this adjective. It is always late. So as I said, that an adjective can be modified by an adverb. Now have a look at this example. It arrived late. In this sentence, here is the subject, that is it. This is the subject, and here is the verb, that is arrived. And then this late is an adverb. Why it is an adverb? Because it is describing this verb arrived, and arrived is a verb. So in this sentence, the adverb comes after the verb. This is one of the main point over here in this sentence. Now look at this sentence. I am tired. Here is the subject I, and am is verb. We can see over here, but tired is not a verb. This tired is an adjective. We can put an adverb right here. We can say, if we write this particular sentence, so we can put an adverb right here if we want to. I am tired. We can put an adverb right over here. I am so tired. So tired is an adjective again. So is actually describing this one. So this is an adverb. The word so is an adverb. We can put an adverb right here between this I'm and tired. That is the word so. So this is actually an adverb. Or we can say I am not tired. We may say I am not. Instead of so, we can put I am not tired. The word not is an adverb. It gives us information about the adjective, that is tired. Or we can say I am very tired. So this very is also giving us information about the adjective tired. Or we may say that I am really tired. So once again, this really is going to give us information about tired. Or we may say that I am extremely tired. These are all adverbs. She ran fast. She ran fast. Over here in this sentence, she is subject, ran is verb, and then fast is actually an adverb. Here is the verb ran. This verb ran. It provides us information, and this is the word fast, that is adverb over here. It provides us information about how she ran, or how did she run. So the answer is she ran fast. So look at this sentence now. She ran very fast. So over here in this sentence, she is subject. Here is the verb ran, and fast over here is not like that as it was previously. So what is fast over here? It is she ran. It is providing us information about the verb ran. So it is an adverb once again. But what about this one? What about this one? This is another adverb, because it provides us information about the word fast. How fast? Very fast. So there could be two adverbs inside a sentence. So fast is actually modifying or describing or giving us information about ran, and very is giving us information about fast. Now look at this sentence. She always runs fast. Over here, this is subject, runs is a verb, and she runs fast. Fast is an adverb because it provides us information about the verb. So this is an adverb. But what about this always? Always is another adverb, and it's provide us information about runs fast. So she runs fast. How many times? How often? So the answer is she always runs fast. So always is modifying runs fast. So it means that this is another adverb. Now look at this last sentence over here. Over here in this sentence, she is the subject of the sentence, and the verb is runs, and fast is an adverb. So she runs fast. Fast is giving us information about runs. Now, if I say that always is giving us information about runs fast, how often? She always runs fast. So it is another adverb. But what about this now? So this is the third adverb in this particular sentence, because the word almost is the adverb that modifies another adverb, that is always. So it is another adverb in this sentence. So in a sentence, there will be a subject followed by an adverb that is always followed by another adverb, maybe. Then there is a verb, and then at the end there may be another adverb. So there are actually 3 adverbs in this particular sentence. Hope this will help you in understanding the concept of adverbs in English. Thank you.